Howdy, welcome to Beaver Mount Works. On this episode here, we're going to be talking about a new project that one of our customers brought us in. They brought us in a motorbike seat, and we're going to be doing some repair to it. They messed it up here. This is out of that naga hide. It's not a great material for a seat. And they chipped it accidentally with something that was in their pants pocket. So what we're going to do is shoot the kitty out. We're going to replace this area here by putting it into a nice beautiful leather with some carving on it and some coloring on it as their request. So I made a soft pattern off of it in the area that we're going to add the leather piece to it. Made this soft unit, that way we know it's proper, figured out where it's at, and made a paper pattern for that, and then we calculated the design is going to be put in this area here. So we calculate that out, cut it out, and we cut out our piece of leather here, and we marked it where the area is going to go here, and this is where the carving is going to go into this area here that the clients requested. It'll get done up, and then we get all molded in here and go from there. So now we've carved it up. It's all nicely carved, and I've molded it. So it's going to sit to the seat where it's going to be, and it's all carved up. Next phase now is going to be dyeing it as the customer wants. It's going to have kind of like that type of beautiful look on it. You'll see when the finished product is done, or close to it. You can see we're hand stitching it in now. This is the back side underneath. See, I put a welt in the back here to give it integrity for the stitch. Goes all the way around. Will be put inside and then comes on through here on the other side here. Put through, connected through the holes. We're hand stitching it. So now we have it all completed. It's all together. The customer came in here with her dream. She had a mess up on her seat there at the very beginning. It was on this side, and we built and put this beautiful carved set of roses on here. All painted as well, nicely dyed up. It's all secured. You saw us sewing it together. That's it. Looks good, eh? Hi. And as you've been watching this video, we carved this and done this all really nice for this seat, and the customer had it for a few weeks and put it on her bike and said, doesn't really right the color that the bike is. And as we said in the beginning, we'll see a photograph of it with the bike. We'd come up with some samples, and I tried to use the photographs from her bike to figure out the design and everything and the color. And I'd come up with a darker color, but she liked the lighter color. And because we weren't actually looking at the bike, and you know how photographs can give you an off color, once it actually went on the bike, she realized that they're a little darker on the bike. So she's brought it back to me, and I'm going to darken up the roses here to make it match more towards the bike on the tank and also her helmet. So it'll look really cool, and you'll get to see that at the end of the video, the whole thing put together. So, as you see, here's the seat. Once I've already darkened it up, the roses, like we said, customer asked to make them a little bit darker than what she originally wanted, because she realized everything was a little darker on her bike and her helmet. So it's finished. So if you have some modifications to do on any of your equipment, on your bikes, and you want to have something made up custom and everything, just give us a shout here at beavermountworks.com. And remember to subscribe and go to our website, beavermountworks.com, and sign up for our newsletter. You see other products that we make. You dream it, we make it. Take care now.